Hello, sir. Welcome to Fear Farm, the best haunted house in the country. Is this your first time here? Yeah, it is actually my first time. I have a ticket with me right now. Who should I give it to? Yeah. I can take that for you right there. Just let me go scan it real quick. And the entrance will be on your right as soon as you walk past me. Try not to get too scared. Boo. Yeah, okay there, bro. Okay, yeah. Weird ass nigga. Alright, man. Let's see how this goes. What the fuck?
Can you guys hear these zombie sounds? Look at this right now. It's really creepy. Listen, can I hear a monster sound from one of you guys, what you were doing early?
Sure.
See, and I heard him also. Can you do a monster sound for me? Oh my gosh, see, this is what we've been seeing. So they've been in groups doing this thing. Can I see some other things you guys were
Why,
doing?
fam?
Show me
Why?
something else. Let's see what we got. Here's another one. Oh, you hear that screaming? Oh my goodness. Right now.
Flash.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, hell no, y'all. I'm out of here, dog. I'm out of here. Yo, someone give me a refund, man. I gotta get the hell out of here. Whoa, not so fast, man. Why do you have to leave right now? You never even got to see the good part. What good part, huh? Huh? What good part? Nigga, I came here to see Fear Farm, not no freaking Freak Farm. What the hell type of circus is this? Yo, I'm out of here, man. Give me all my money. Give me my money back, man. The worst haunted house I've ever seen. I'm going to Saunders Farm.
Whoa! How did you get in here? Nah, man. You're not gonna come in here and disrespect us like that. I think you can get out here untouched. Give me all your money, nigga. Yo, I didn't say anything. I said, give me all your money. Yo, I was just joking, though. I was just joking. Ah! Ah!